This tool could save you time and money. It can also make you some money. This is the Sanyipace inspection camera. This has 100 foot of cable, a 4.3-inch display, IP68 waterproof probe, and it does have a compartment in here. Open this up and you have your parts, charging cable, a couple of different heads depending on what size pipe you're inspecting. Have a different few attachments here. This is your camera itself, flexible, IP68 rated, a couple extra O-rings, baby screwdriver. Just take our camera and screw it into the cable. Let's go ahead and pop our larger. Let's go ahead and pop this on here. I really wish I had this back when we were having a ton of plumbing problems with You may have seen those videos, but that was a nightmare. We spent so much time, so much money trying to figure out what was going on with our plumbing, and if we had this, we would have known a lot sooner. We would have known what to do and saved money and time. The camera itself is 17 millimeters wide or thick, 32 millimeters long from the end here. The spring or the flexible portion is 50 millimeters and the end is 25 millimeters. We have the 50 millimeter attachment here. There's also the 25 millimeter. Now make sure your camera is plugged into the screen here. Turn this on, so, and then hit power. Now, would you look at that? There we are. Hello, there you are. Hello. Now you can also do some pretty cool things here. Adjust your LEDs. Let's go down a little bit, and that adjusts right here. You can also bring it up. This would be the brightest the LEDs can get. Now you can come to menu, you can record or take pictures, and it also takes sound files. So you can do format, change language, go back to default settings, you can set your date and time. That would come in handy if you're having a lot of clients and you know what day and time you went to that client. You save files and you can go back and see. So if you click your mode button, now we can take pictures. Maybe you stop in a certain section of your pipe and you want to take a still image of maybe a break or a connection, a coupler, something going on, but we're going to be recording today. Now let's see how this thing actually works. So when we actually replaced the whole plumbing system, I added this clean out to make it a little bit easier. This house didn't have a clean out. We had to inspect everything from the roof. So we're going to be going through this clean out. We're going to check on my work. I'm no professional plumber or anything, but we did replace 100 foot worth of PVC and piping for the house. So I'm going to give you guys the POV of the camera display here. I'm going to be feeding our camera into the pipes. Nice visible display. Let's try to get our LEDs up a little bit. And you do just feed this by hand. You can see here, let's back it up. That's one of our joints there, just glued in a coupler. You guys are seeing a lot of the clouds right now, aren't you? Let's try to get you right here. There we go. Is that a little better? So this model does have 100 foot worth of cable. There's another joint here, another glue joint with the coupler. We replaced, I think it's 70 feet out, but we replaced 100 foot in total worth of pipe. So maybe we can inspect the whole system today. Going down. This should be just about under the driveway at this point. This just makes me wish I had this such a long time ago. This just makes me wish I had this all the more. This is a pretty good quality. I wasn't expecting the image quality to be this good, honestly. Another glue joint with a coupler there. Looks like our camera might be upside down right now. Another joint. So what's that, 4 couplers deep now? So we're talking 40 to 50 feet at this point. Let's back it up here. So this looks like, and now we're at the part where it turns into a clay pipe. This is the city's piping right here. So we're about 70 feet out right now. And it does look like we have some pooling right there. So I know when I did this, we're going from PVC to clay pipe. So I had to use a rubber fern coat. You can see it's kind of sagging a little bit. That's not good. I might need to go in here and fix that. Now, I didn't know, I'm no professional like I said, but I don't want anything pooling right here. The PVC to clay portion was just connected using those rubber fern cones. Let's bring it back in. Again, this is very easy to reel in and out. It's just a simple cable, and you see, you just feed it by hand. Super easy. So overall, I think this is an excellent unit. Now, keep in mind, Sanyipace did send this to me free of charge. I do not accept payment in the form of money. They did send this to me, and I did not pay for this though. Anytime I do a collaboration with a company, I have to make sure that they are 100% confident in their product and they are willing to let me speak freely of it. Sanyipace was, in fact. Now, I know you can feel however you want about it, but I'm saying this so you understand that I did not pay for this and this was sent to me. I think it's an excellent inspection camera. I wish I had this back when I was having a ton of issues with my plumbing. And I'm also glad I have it now because now I see I might need to go correct where our pipe is meeting the city pipe. Sanyipace did tell me, and they even encouraged that I speak freely, and they want to hear all the feedback that I have for this camera. I think they really knocked it out of the park, honestly. It's easy to use, easy to understand, and it works as intended. Y'all have a great day. I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys want to check it out. I would really encourage you to get one if you're a homeowner. A lot of us homeowners get complacent after a while. You maybe got the inspection done when you first bought the house, but how many years has it been since then? Y'all have a great day.